Hey guys, so I'm hopping in right now because I just got a package. Let me block this out. But I just got a package. Yes, it's for my son's birthday. You guys hear him in the background. He's super excited. But it's from my Linesister. She has a business, NerysCraftShop, and she made the shirts for my son's birthday. So let's unbox this bad boy. I know, Papa. Are you excited? You ready to see it? Okay, me too. So she designed it. I sent her an idea of what I wanted the shirts to look like and what I wanted them to say and stuff. She created a design and it was a pretty quick process. She's really quick with everything. So she created the design and everything. She sent it to me, and as she was going along and creating these shirts, she would send me pictures and she would ask me if I like it like this, if I like it like that, and whatever the case may be. She had a couple trips and stuff, but she was able to get these done right on time for me. His birthday is next week on the 25th, and the day that I'm recording this, it's probably what, the 17th, 18th? So yeah, it's Thursday. So yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? Oh my god, these are so cute. So before I show you the shirts and the theme, let's do a quick little drum roll. Y'all see a little nosy over here? Let's do a quick little drum roll. Ta-da! So this is the theme for my son's birthday. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside the box. It is so freaking cute. I am so proud of my Linesister, and I can't thank her enough for doing this. So I'm gonna leave all her information and stuff down below, and I'll show you what this looks like on my little pumpkin poo. So yes, this is my son's birthday theme. We are doing cocoa melon because that is his favorite. I cannot wait to see him with this on. Oh my god. If you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what he looks like right now. He is leaning over his oh, you excited, Papa? I know, Mama's gonna put this on you so you can try it on. Hold on. Okay, look, Papi. So like I said, I'm super excited. I can't wait for the family to get their shirts for Kay's birthday, so stick around and stay tuned for the vlog. Okay, stick around and stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, and for all your crafty needs, party needs, don't forget to check the description down below because I'll link all of my Linesister's information down there. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So I'm doing a quick vlog today. I am going to PA for an event. I switched up my hair. I'll do a tutorial on how I did it. It's almost been a year since I straightened my hair, so yeah, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can. It is a private event, so I don't know how comfortable people feel with it, but I'm super excited. My husband is staying with Cade. It's only a couple of hours. I'll be back tomorrow morning, but yeah, stay tuned. So I finally arrived. I'm gonna show you guys the house. Hold on. Here at the cabin. I showered, had breakfast already. I'm getting ready to head back home. Guys, this house is so bomb. I can't wait to come back, like, with my family or with my girls and stuff, because bro, it is so freaking cute. Like, I can't wait. So yeah, quick update. So yeah, today has been super annoying. I'm just waiting for Jeff to get back from taking the dogs into PetSmart so that we can head to Walmart and buy a couple of things that we need for Kid's first birthday. I just hope that he feels better by then. I'm trying to vlog as much as I can, but he's been really like clingy to me and he hasn't really been like feeling too well. So we'll see. Hopefully he does feel better and stuff, and I'll see you guys later. So I finished painting my toes. Let me know zoom out in. And I did my nails. Simple design. Yeah, I do have a couple of things that I still need to print out, so I'm gonna get that done now and I'll show you guys how it looks. This is the final result of everything. These are gonna go with pictures of him for each month. So I'm gonna do a sit down and cut this out real quick. And I'll do a quick time lapse for you guys to see. And then these are going to spell out the word 1, and they're going to be on the front of his high chair. I actually have to get the string to put it through the holes and stuff, so I guess I'll leave these for Mom's house. And then here, this is the box of the t-shirts, but here I already have the one banner. Don't mind me, I'm eating cake. I have the one banner right here, so that is up and ready to go. Ooh, I'm so excited. I can't wait for my son's birthday, guys. Like, you guys have no idea. Who's up? Say hi, Papa. So on this day last year, he was definitely giving me contractions at this time from like 7 a.m. It's over like 11 a.m. now. So yeah, he woke up today also at 7 a.m. just fussy. But he's feeling so much better. Let me show you guys some of the party stuff. I gotta get rid of this box, but my closet is stocked with a bunch of stuff for his birthday. Today, Dad and I were gonna go buy a couple of other things that we are missing. I'll have everything ready and packed in the car tomorrow, so stay tuned. Oh, really? The struggle of living with dogs. They have my walls all chipped. Like, I don't understand. So Kate and I are in the car. I put my hoodie back on because it's freezing and I need to get like more hoodies because I think I have like 3. And then the other 2 are my husband's that I use, but they're too big for me to wear out. So yeah, I got my hair into space buns because I'm about to braid my hair. I'll try to do a quick time lapse of that. But we're here in the car because Dada is getting a haircut. Right, Papa? Say, I don't need a haircut because I'm growing my hair out. Look at those curls. Do y'all see that? But yeah, I'm gonna braid my hair real quick. The packages that I love coming home to, it just arrived. I'm so hype. So let me tell y'all, quick update. So I cleaned my house this morning. I organized everything that I will be taking down to my mom's tonight. All I'm missing is to give Cade a shower. Don't mind the vent in my bathroom because I feel like the lighting in here is like so bomb and I don't feel like setting everything up in my living room. But yeah, I washed my hair like 2 days ago and I put it in braids with no product. But let me tell y'all how stressed out I am when I film something and after doing all the editing I just don't like it. So I filmed a video on the product that I'm going to show you now. I purchased it because I've seen Chelly's Curls talk so much about it and I've been using it for the past month. And I love the results that it gives me. So that's what I'll be using for my hair this weekend. My hair was detangled, but like I said, since I have braids in, it got a little bit tangled. So I'm just detangling it now. But yeah, I purchased this and I made a whole dedicated review video to it. And after I finished editing it, I'm like, man, I don't even like this video. So I'm gonna do a quick review for you guys now. It won't be a first impressions because I've been using it for a while, but yeah. I get so pissed when that happens. That happened twice with 2 videos and it's just so irritating. I feel like that's why I've been like a little bit discouraged lately, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. So yeah. So my hair looks like freshly washed, naked hair. Hello. It's actually the day of my son's birthday. So this will probably be the end of my vlog. And then the next vlog will be his birthday / baptism. So yeah. So first, like I said in my first video, it smells very fruity, very good. Kind of also like a flower, but the consistency, look. It's pretty thick but creamy, but not too thick. So that's the amount that I put for both sides. Now I'm actually going for an elongated look. So I've actually got my brush to detangle, but I'm just gonna shake, rake and shake to activate my curls. And I'll do that for the rest of this process. You guys can already see some clumps, some shine. So yeah, I've been loving that product. I feel like I can use it on its own. Tomorrow I might apply a little bit of gel just to give me an extra hold. But girl, why didn't I hear about this product before? I think she was the face of the launch. Again, let's detangle. That much, emulsify and apply. am going to add a little bit extra there because that's the driest part of my hair. It's so irritating, but that is the driest part. And with this product, I noticed that I do get definition, I do get volume, and I do get a lot of shine. So it's a win-win in every aspect. So now I'll just do the front, probably even another layer. Comb it forward. The front, I usually just don't care if it has, what is it, elongation or clumping. I usually comb it forward as well so that I'm not committed to a part, but regardless, my hair ends up parting anyway it wants. So this is what it's looking like wet. And I'll come back later when it's dry, but overall, let me tell you, the past month that I've used this product, I've loved it, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody that needs that definition, that shine, and that moisture, because it definitely adds moisture into my hair. Get all that. So I'll see you guys later. Let me just tell you guys how I have the bestest friends in the whole world. They came all the way from the Bronx to pick me up and help me take all of this stuff down there. Like, who does that? Like, my son has the best godmothers in the absolute world. May God bless them always.